In this video, I'm going to explain what the debt snowball is in 60 seconds. Hey, it's Justine with Debt Free Millennials. I personally use the debt snowball method to pay off more than $35,000 in 2.5 years, so I'm going to explain exactly what the debt snowball method is. First, you're going to list out your debts from smallest to largest amount owed. Next, you're going to pay minimum payments on all of the debts except for your smallest loan. That smallest loan, you are going to put as much as you can towards that debt until it's paid off. After that, you're going to move on to the next smallest loan and throw everything you can until that debt is paid off. So on and so forth until you're debt free. This method completely ignores interest rate and instead focuses on instant gratification. You'll feel so good when you have that first small win because you're going at that debt with literally Thor's hammer, and you'll be able to move on to the next smallest debt very, very quickly and pay it off. Let me know if you guys are using the debt snowball method in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Debt Free Millennials content.